Hey, are you struggling to ride slow, sharp corners? In this video, I want to help you prevent falling and stalling on those slow, sharp corners with proper riding technique. You can take a sharp corner either sitting or standing. First one we'll do is sitting, and what you want to do is you want to weight the front end, because compressing the forks, that shortens the wheelbase, but it also changes the geometry, so it allows you to turn easier. It makes it turn quicker and a shorter radius, allowing you to turn tighter more easily. But in order to do that, you need to have proper body position on the bike. So you want to be sitting towards the front. You want to have your inside leg sticking forward. That helps you balance, but also puts more weight on the front end. But then you want to have your body over the center of the bike. That way you can basically pushing the bars down in, leaning with it, and then I'm keeping my core of the body kind of over the tires of the bike, allowing the the bike to turn and me to stay on top of the bike. So here we'll come into this corner, I'll stick my leg out and then lean, keep my weight to the outside, then go. If it's a really tight turn, sometimes it's hard not to put a foot down. That can help you turn it more easily, and I have a hard time talking and using the clutch. So now we'll try a right-hander, because they're a little bit harder. And the sand is a little bit soft. And then you got the standing up, where you're basically using your feet to and hands to control how the bike leans and turns. So I'm leaning in, I'm turning in a little bit, but I'm also using my core and my feet. I'm kind of pushing down with the inside peg just a little bit, but I'm balancing. I'm just using my whole body to be able to turn the bike sharply. So if you found this video helpful, I want to help you go more in depth with your riding technique to make you a better rider faster. Head to motocrosshideout.com to learn more. I'm Kelly Fager. Learn more, ride more.